Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Let's provide an answer to this question under equations, but also involving set. So we can call this radical equation. So we have the left containing the root of x plus the root of 2 equals to the right, which is the root of 32. Alright, always in solving radical equations, the best way is to isolate the variable. So in this case, I will send the root of 2 to the other side, meaning subtract root 2 from both sides. Now it will be ironical, or it will be an error if we are to just square both sides and say that x plus 2 equals 32. By subtracting 2 from this, we get x is 30. If you put back here to be 30, we know root 30 plus root 2 will not give us root 32. So that will be out of the way. So the best way is to subtract root 2 from both the left and the right. And that will leave us with root x equals to the root of 32 minus the root of what? 2. So in this aspect also, we can just square both sides, where this will become expansion of binomial. Or I can see that I can still break 32 to a root of what? 2. Meaning, if I'm breaking this with using prime number, which is 2, to divide 32, I'll be having 16 times 2, where 16 is our what? Perfect square. So we are going to have root 16 times 2 as in this form. We can be separated as root 16 times root 2. And we know root 16 will give us what? 4 multiplying root 2. So this can also be further simplified to this form. So if I simplify that, that simply means I'll be having root x equals to 4 root 2 minus root 2. And under set, we know that if I have root that have the same number as radicand, so this is root 2, I can subtract their coefficient. So this becomes root x equals to 4 minus 1 give us what? 3 root 2. So now it is further simplified. So now I can clear my square root to free the x. So I'll square both sides to give me x all square 3 root 2 all square. And in this, we are aware that this is also like a root b square, where the square affect the a as well as affect what? The root of b. The same way, this square will affect the 3 because they are multiplying, and the same time affect root 2. It will be in this form: root 3 square times, 3 square times the root of 2 square. And we know the square will cancel the square root. So I'll be left with 9 times 2. So this becomes x equals to 9 times 2 as in this, and this as 2. So x is just going to be 18. So the value of x in this equation is 18. Put back your 18 there. You have root of 18, root of 2. And within this, I know 2 can go there. 2 times 9. And 9 is a perfect square. So it's going to be root 9 times root 2 plus root 2. Root 9 will be 3. So 3 root 2 plus root 2. The same radicand. So 3 plus the coefficient 1 give us 4 root 2. That is what you will get. But you can see that we were able to break 32 here to the same set form. 4 root 2. 4 root 2. Meaning the left equal the right. I believe you get the concept. Follow me on the Facebook as Taxonomy Online Mathematics. YouTube Taxonomy Online Mathematics. Like and share and subscribe if you are new. Bye bye.